In 2022, at a gas station near Kazan, Vlad noticed that hardly anyone checks their receipt after paying. He found a receipt someone had abandoned, went to the cashier, and quietly claimed he had filled up less than what was indicated. The cashier didn't check, just gave him back 180 rubles. Vlad realized he could exploit a loophole. He visited various gas stations, collected receipts from bins, and repeated the same routine. He claimed that the gas didn't flow, his car showed less, and asked for a recount. The system didn't check car numbers and cashiers didn't argue. Sometimes they refunded cash, sometimes they just added gas. He went to 5 to 6 stations a day, earning 2 to 3,000 rubles. After a few weeks, he brought a friend along to help him out. They changed jackets and wore caps to avoid recognition, pretending they had just come from their dacha. Once, they even got a coffee coupon for the trouble. Things were going fine until an operator noticed that the same vehicle had made 3 mistakes in a week. But they were called into the office. Vlad thought it was the end, but the cashier just smiled and said,